Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving deep into the Volvo XC90. This isn't just a facelift, it's a tech-savvy, hybrid-powered family SUV that blends comfort, safety, and sustainability like never before. Let's get into it. The XC90 has always been about understated elegance, and takes that even further. You still get that upright, confident stance, but now with smoother surfaces, slimmer LED lights, and a refined version of Volvo's Thor's Hammer DRLs. Up front, the grille is cleaner and more aerodynamic. New aero-optimized 21-inch wheels are standard on higher trims, and the rear now features a full-width light bar that gives it a futuristic edge. It's elegant without trying too hard. Step inside, and the XC90 greets you with what might be the calmest cabin in the luxury SUV world. Minimalist Scandinavian design, sustainably sourced materials, and an ultra-quiet ride. You get a 14.5-inch portrait-style Google-based infotainment system, paired with a crisp 12.3-inch digital driver display. Everything is smooth, intuitive, and fully integrated with Google Maps, Assistant, and even remote updates. Volvo nails the comfort game. These Nappa leather seats are heated, ventilated, and even offer massage in upper trims. Rear seat passengers, tons of legroom, optional captain's chairs, and yes, the third row is still adult friendly for short trips. For the XC90 is exclusively electrified. That means mild hybrids or plug-in hybrid options only. The B6 mild hybrid comes with a 2.0-liter turbo engine and a 48-volt system pushing 295 horsepower. But the real star, the Recharge T8 plug-in hybrid. It delivers a combined 455 horsepower and 523 pounds-to-feet of torque, thanks to a turbocharged engine plus an upgraded rear electric motor. 0 to 60, just 4.7 seconds. On the road, the XC90 is smooth, composed, and whisper quiet. Steering is light but precise, and the air suspension optional on upper trims soaks up bumps like a true luxury ride. Safety, of course, is a Volvo hallmark. The XC90 comes standard with the latest pilot assist system, 360-degree cameras, intersection collision avoidance, and even a drive monitoring camera that watches for drowsiness or distraction. Add to that adaptive cruise, auto lane change, and Google Assistant voice controls, and you've got one of the smartest SUVs on the road. The XC90 comes in 4 trims: Core, Plus, Ultimate, and the powerful Recharge T8 models. Prices start around $58,000, while the top spec Recharge can hit $79,000 fully loaded. With all rows up, cargo space is modest, but fold the third and second rows, and you get nearly 86 cubic feet of flat space, ideal for families, road trips, or IKEA runs. So is the Volvo XC90 still the king of safe, stylish family SUVs? Honestly, a broken bar yes. It's elegant, electrified, and loaded with smart tech. If you want something luxurious, eco-conscious, and genuinely relaxing to drive, this just might be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below. Would you go XC90 over an Audi Q7 or BMW X5? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dive car reviews every week. See you in the next one.